Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dogman, A Tale of Two Kitties, written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey, as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi. Chapter the 3rd, The $6,000 Fish. Hello, I'm Dr. Dookie from the Super Awesome Science Center over there. Our team of science dudes just returned from the mountain. We went there to dig up Flippy, the psychokinetic fish.
Why'd you dig him up?
Because we want to study his amazing brain. Duh!
But I thought Flippy was dead.
He is. But fortunately, he was perfectly preserved and nice. So I'm Dogman. See? Not a scratch on him. What wonders can Flippy's brain teach us? What knowledge can we gain? What powers lie in wait of discovery? Uh-oh. Dogman is rolling around on that dead fish. No! He's doing it in Flipporama! Ready? Bad doggy! Look what you did! Flippy is squished! You ruined everything! Go sit over there and look sad! Sadder!
Oh, why'd you guys got to be so mean to Dogman?
He broke every bone in this fish's body!
So what? He was already dead.
How are we supposed to study the brain of a squished fish?
I know. We can rebuild him. We can make him better than he was. Faster, stronger, fishier.
That's a good idea! Let's go back to the Super Awesome Science Center over there.
Okay. Come on, Dogman. You can help us.
But they still have to look sad. That's better. Soon, the scientists had a big operation. They replaced all of Flippy's broken bones with bionics. Flippy was now more machine than fish.
Boy, it's a good thing Flippy is dead.
I know. He'd be so dangerous if he ever came back to life.
Yeah, with his telekinetic brain and bionic super strength, he'd be unstoppable.
Well, I'm glad we don't have to worry about that.
Me too. With Dogman guarding him, what could go wrong? Let's go home and get some rest.
Good idea.
We'll study Super Mecha Flippy's brain tomorrow.
Good night, Dogman. Don't let anything bad happen.
Oh, hi, Dogman.
How did your security job go?
Why are you hiding behind that plant?
Were you a bad doggy?
Did you do a bad thing? What did you do?
Meanwhile,